Citizens of America, at noon on January 20th, I vowed to faithfully execute the office of the President, signifying renewal as well as change. It is my true belief that public education in America is a problem. Former President George W. Bush passed the No Child Left Behind Act in 2001. This bill increased the amount standardized tests were used in public education. Many of you may be asking yourselves, what is so bad about standardized testing? Standardized testing increases what you may call teaching to the test. Instead of partaking in exercises pertaining to higher level thinking, students spend class time in preparation for their standardized test. This is not completely the teacher's fault. If the required amount of students do not pass the test, the teacher will be fired. This forces the teacher to teach at the lowest student's ability, hopefully ensuring that he or she will pass. This is good for failing students, but forces more gifted students to progress at a much more laggard rate. A question must be raised. Do standardized tests cover all necessary material a student should be required to know? Absolutely not. These standardized tests do measure math, science, and reading abilities of students, but are not valid means to bar the aptitude of very important aspects of learning, such as creativity, IQ, the arts, or physical education in students. We're the brightest beacon for freedom and opportunity in the world, and we must adhere to that standard. Unfortunately, in the realm of education, we are slipping from this standard, and have been for a sustained amount of time. The United States has dropped from 18th to 31st in the PISA math exam, testing students around the world. Math is not the only subject in which students of America are failing. On the NAEP science exam, another global test, only 31% of American students were proficient, and only 3% qualified as advanced. These statistics are startling. For America to be an advanced country, we must have advanced test scores. A 31% proficiency rate is astounding. We cannot accept greatness with only 31% of students being deemed as proficient in science. To fix these problems, a probable solution would be to find the root of the problem itself. After making a trip to a few schools and consulting with both students and teachers, I've come to a conclusion. Students and teachers are not motivated to succeed. Many failing public school students fail because they know that their family cannot afford college. Teachers do not teach because their salary is low, and they don't feel the necessity of going the extra mile to help students and/or teach higher level thinking skills. Considering this, my counsel and I have come to the conclusion that something must be done. The No Child Left Behind Act must be amended. Unfortunately, this almost guarantees failure for some. We cannot create a perfect world, nation, city, etc., without ideal people, which we do not have, cannot create, or obtain. We cannot make the failure of some students affect the successes of others, but we also cannot let students fail miserably. The current starting average salary for a teacher is around $37,000 per year. I propose to make teaching a more respected occupation by raising their annual salary and providing an increased salary for teachers who obtain a master's degree. I would also like to provide monetary incentive for welfare students over the age of 16. This can be regulated by the boards of individual schools. For all this to be accomplished, funding must be cut from less important things such as NASA and federal funding for highways. This may upset you, but education is the future of America. I propose this with malice towards none and with charity towards all. Do you believe in America? Do you believe public education shall be changed? Then I propose to you a way of life based upon the will of the majority. We can make a difference. We will make a difference. God bless America.